in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to edit multiple images at a time to fit into certain areas of the website. When you start working on your site, it's important that you upload images that are formatted and sized correctly. You don't want to upload images that are too large or in the wrong format because they won't load quickly. And you also don't want to upload an image that is the wrong shape, because if you do, in some cases, it'll throw off the alignment of your page. So for example, let's say we wanted to update one of these 3 images on the home page. These images are a specific size and shape, so when you upload a new one, you need to make sure that you're uploading to that same size and shape. The easiest way to know what size your image is to right-click on the image and press Save Image so that you can download it to your computer. From there, you should be able to find the image on your desktop, hover over it, and see what the dimensions are. You can see this one is 600 by 400. You can also right click and go to properties, and it'll show you the dimensions as well. So since this one is 600 by 400, let me go to details just to show you. If you go to details on your computer, it'll show you dimensions under width and height. So 600 by 400 pixels. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to edit this image. I use a program called Birme.net, which I'll have the link under this video on my website to go directly here. It allows you to upload as many images as you want, and over here on the right, you can set the width. So I'm going to set it to 600, and you can set the height to 400. You browse the images from your computer, and you can edit multiple images at one time. So I'm going to take these 2 images just as an example, and I'm going to press open. You'll see the images here, and then this gray area is the area that actually controls what will be cropped out of the image. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this into position, and then I'm going to press Save as Zip or Save Files. If you're doing a lot of images, you want to do Save as Zip, and it'll save you a folder. If you're only doing a couple, you can do Save Files, and it'll download them directly. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go to the website, and just like in all the other videos, I'm going to enable the Visual Builder on the page that I'm trying to edit. And I'm going to hover over the module that I want to change. And I'm going to go to the image area, and then I'm going to upload one of these new cropped images. I'm also going to upload one of the ones before it was cropped just to show you the difference. So first I'm going to select the uncropped image, and you can see how putting this uncropped image in actually forces the module to be much larger than it's supposed to be. And when we use the correct image, which I'll go back and put that in, it is sized to fit just like all the other images. So after you've inputted your new images, just like usual, you'll open your purple bar here and press Save. So that's how to use Birme. In another video, I'm going to show you how to use Photopea, which is a Photoshop alternative that's available online if you need to do small image edits.